This video is going to be quick, but I had to replace the latch on the back seat of my 2004 Chevy Suburban. I found this part online on Amazon, and I'll show you who I bought it from. This is the part that I've already replaced, and so it worked out well. As you can see from this is, it broke off, so that's why I had to replace it. And since I was replacing one, I went ahead and bought two, just to make this have two of the same. I'm going to try and save this one in case this ever breaks, but it probably won't, but you never know. I didn't expect the other one to break either. But in order to release this, you've got to pull this tab out and this tab out simultaneously. So as you can see, I broke this one getting it out, so I don't know, I may break this one getting it out, but I don't really know if I'm able to show you me getting it out, but I'm definitely going to try. So the fun part is, in this limited space, it's hard to get things in and around. Part of what I did to break the other one was just prying up on this piece, so maybe this won't work. Alright, this looks like I might have this side. Now if I can just hold it. All right, that side is up and out, and now I lost the other side. Oh, fun. Fun, fun, fun. Hey, we got it out. And I did stress it a little, but it is not broken. Make sure you mount it the right way so that you can catch. You just pop it into place. And now, both of my latches are replaced on the back of my seat, and I will be able to latch that and move forward just like this one. That one's latched and that one's latched, so now I no longer have to worry about the piece falling down.